In today's digital age, protecting your personal information and data has never been more important. Welcome to our channel, and today we're sharing the top 10 cybersecurity tips you need to safeguard your online presence. First, always use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols makes it harder for hackers to crack. Don't forget to use a reliable password manager to keep track of all your credentials securely. Next, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a text message or authentication app, to access your accounts. Regularly updating your software is critical. Set your devices to update automatically so you always have the latest security patches and features. Cybercriminals often exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software, so staying current is key. Be wary of phishing attempts. Avoid clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Phishing emails often appear legitimate, so always verify the sender's address and look for signs of deceit. Secure your Wi-Fi network by changing the default router password and enabling encryption. Consider hiding your network's SSID to add another layer of security. Use antivirus software and perform regular scans to detect and remove threats. Many antivirus programs offer real-time protection against malware and viruses, so keeping them updated is equally important. Limit the amount of personal information you share online. Cybercriminals can use details like your birth date or address to bypass security questions or launch targeted attacks, so be mindful of what you disclose. Back up your data regularly. Use cloud services or external hard drives to create copies of important files, so you can recover them in case of a cyber attack or hardware failure. Be cautious when using public Wi-Fi networks, as they are often unsecured. Consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, to encrypt your internet connection and protect your privacy in public spaces. Finally, stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends and threats. Subscribe to trusted security blogs and educate yourself to stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Remember, safeguarding your digital life is a continuous process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips and insights.